Here's a quick and easy brow tutorial using gel liners. Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today, in our brow tutorial, we will be using gel liner and I'm using here the Says Lady. It's waterproof. Again, start from the tail of the brows, the same technique that we're using from the past eyebrow tutorial that we've made, and then outline the lower part of your brow, just like so, and then the outer part of the brow, the upper part, and then fill in the middle. Take your time and then blend it carefully. As you can see, I'm starting to blend not at the start of the eyebrows, so later on you will see the result. Then after that, blend using spoolie or brush, and then the residue that was left on your spoolie or brush, use it to color the inner part of your brow so that you will have a faded effect. Yes, and then that's it. Super easy. Again, it's an optional. If you're going to use a concealer, you can use, but it's an optional, okay? And for this, I just use concealer just to show you, if ever, just in case you need to clean your eyebrows. As you can see, it's super easy and quick, so try it out. Saranghe!